gentlemen, the reason we are actually here. Can I call on stage the vivacious, gorgeous, beautiful Mallika Sherawat?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mallika. First of all, I want to apologize for not being able to wear the dress which I'll be wearing in Cannes, because today only I got a call from Jackie Chan management that they don't want me to wear any outfit before Cannes. So I was not able to wear that. My apologies for you completely.
If there are any questions you'd like to address to Mallika or either Anita or myself.
This is, अभी मैं बहुत nervous feel कर रही हूँ, मुझे बहुत nervousness हो रही है. It's a very big moment in my life. I want to thank the Aura Group for sponsoring my jewelry and knowing that they sponsored the jewelry for Nicole Kidman for Moulin Rouge. It's a big honor for me to be associated with them. And I think फिरंगियों ने तो jewelry अभी discover की है. We have this Indian craftsmanship and Indian heritage which goes back thousands of years. So I'm going to be taking all these exquisite jewelry which is inspired from our culture and wearing it out there. I think the best craftsmen are in India, the best designing and the best packaging, from Surat to Mumbai to Jaipur, and I feel very happy that I'm going to be showcasing it on a global platform. Thank you very much.
That's pleasure.
Ask me any question or anything, please go ahead.
Mr. Jain, is whether Mallika Sherawat will be brand ambassador only for Cannes, or after that also she'll be a model?
I want to clarify this. I think we've been fortunate that we've got an opportunity to work with Mallika. I think it is something to just come together, not a commercial relationship. So I want to emphasize that, and we're very happy to be working with.
I think I'll be wearing this expensive jewelry. I'll be a prime kidnapping suspect. I'll be a prime suspect for kidnapping. Don't blame me later on, please.
But Jackie,
why did you come back?
I'm sorry?
But Jackie will be there with you, no? So I hope.
Yes, 100% he will be there.
Don't underestimate Indian men.
This is a very unusual press conference because here I want to listen what you have to say to me, because I'm going to be facing the world press. तो मुझे आप लोगों की advice चाहिए. Because सब लोग मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मल्लिका तुम अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही हो वर्ल्ड प्रेस को, your Jackie is introducing you. How are you going to handle the international media?
No, because last time Aishwarya went.
I am looking forward to it. When Jackie Chan cast me in his film, he and director Stanley Tong, I'm eternally grateful to them, because they told me, both of them told me, Mallika, you have it in you to make it as an international actress. We have complete faith in you. We believe in you. Uस time I laughed at it. I thought, कहाँ मैं हरियाणा से? What are they saying? I have it in me to make it an international actress. But now Jackie Chan has put his money where his mouth is. He's a very big star. It's a very big movie. He doesn't have to launch me. But the very fact that he's giving me this opportunity and presenting me to the world.
Your role as an Indian.
Yeah, sorry, loudly.
Tell us a little bit more about your role as an Indian princess in the movie with Jackie Chan.
Yes, this is an action, adventure, romantic comedy where I'm playing Jackie Chan's love interest, where the bad guys are chasing us all the time and we are escaping from them. So it is very challenging because I did all the stunts on my own as well, but the essence of the film is that I'm playing an Indian princess whom Jackie Chan rescues and saves and falls in love with. Jackie Chan management is doing that for me.
क्यों आपने कहा कि आप लॉन्च होना चाह रही हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय, तो ये तो सबसे पहला कदम होना चाहिए.
वो मुझे लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, so they are taking care of everything. They have hired a PR agency, they have hired everything. Yes. Roles, I want to work with directors and actors and actresses whose work I respect and admire. I look up to like Salma Hayek, like Quentin Tarantino. By the way, they are going to be there in Cannes. I'm walking the red carpet for Sin City, which is called the movie of the year, where Quentin Tarantino has directed a scene, and Robert Rodriguez is there, Bruce Willis is there. I'm going to be sharing the red carpet with them. So I'm looking forward to meeting them and striking a rapport with them.
आप वहाँ जाएंगी, मल्लिका शेरावत ब्रांड बन के जाएंगी कि भारतीय अभिनेत्री बन के जाएंगी?
I'm going there to promote my film. That is the main thing. My main focus is that I'm going there to promote my film. I'm doing this as a part of the film promotion. Yes.
अच्छा, फिल्म में तो आप एक इंडियन प्रिंसेस बनी हैं। ये कपड़े हैं आपके, या जेन्युइनली आप भारतीय कपड़े पहनना चाहते हैं?
I'm an Indian. I'm proud to be one, and I look the sexiest and the most glamorous in a ghagra choli, I think. So why not? I need the best. Jackie Chan is there now.
To Cannes, but why did you, she's one of the jury member. Is it because of a personal friendship with Mallika that you are doing the aura, or
Like I said, we are fortunate. It happened actually over a phone. Mallika and we were talking, and at that point of time, she was contemplating going to Cannes. And Anita is also a very dear friend, so I think everything kind of fell in place.
Mallika, have you sat down and chalked out the design and presentation of your clothes with Anita?
My personality comes out, and in which I'm also very comfortable. I cannot wear anything जिसमें मुझे comfort level नहीं है, and I'm just wearing it क्योंकि fashion में है. That's not my personality. I can't do that. So. Okay. Now please tell me 3 things which irritate you the most about Mallika Sherawat. I'm asking this because I don't want to irritate the press there.
Hi, Mallika.
Hi. Of all 3, but above all this, the grey matter here is very important, and a presence of mind, which I think is more important than your beauty, than the costumes you wear, than the jewelry you're showing. Your presence of mind and the way you observe things is very important too.
That's for sure, but as Ms. Anita Dongre,
It's all about feeling good and therefore looking good. And I think in a lot of ways, Mallika really.
Anyone, the clothes should not overpower her. She has to feel the clothes, she has to just feel an added confidence and an added femininity and to emerge. The jewelry is not going to overpower her. So it's not those two that's going to stand out, and that's not the idea at all. She's not being put there as a mannequin to showcase the clothes and the jewelry. They have to be part of her aura, part of her persona, and just be tools to add to her confidence level when she walks the red carpet.
And rest is all byproduct.
thanks.
Mallika,
वहाँ पे I'm going to be handling the international media. Which are the 3 things about me which irritate the press the most?
the first thing is that what question went to Aishwarya will obviously come to you. Whether you will be comfortable in smooching in Hollywood films. That question will surely come to you. Because of Indian culture and Indian ethos, what will you say to that?
What is your question?
Same question was the last question, right? Whether she will be comfortable in smooching on Hollywood films.
I have not had any problem in India. Why should I'm not a hypocrite. मुझसे fake नहीं बना जाता. It's very tiresome for me to be fake and to put on an act. I like to showcase the real personality and the real me. I've not had a problem doing intimate scenes in India. I don't have a problem doing it there. It's a part of a Hollywood. It's a part of a script. I do not choose to give this much more importance than any other